Hello, my sixth class students. How are you all? So let's start today's video of computer. I, as your computer teacher, student. In last video, we have discussed about Windows 7. Okay. So we have come near about. I have completed all the topics of Windows 7, and I have given related assignment also. In this video, I will discuss with you classification of computer. Actually, chapter number 1 have different classification of computers. Some are based on the data types they use. Some are based on their size. Okay. So these classification of computers, I will try to merge together. I will try to merge both the classification and I will try to explain you that the data types they use and the size, the classification on the based on their size, both I will merge today. To explain you properly, let's start the topic. Okay, you can see this diagram. In this, the computer have three different types. First one is analog, digital, and then hybrid. You know, this is the basic division of computer: analog, digital, and hybrid. Analog computer, you know, it is taking continuous data. In digital computer, there is subdivision. Okay, and hybrid computer is combination of both analog and digital computer. Digital computer is easy because its result is easy to read. Okay, readable in our language, we can understand it properly. So further division of digital computer is supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, and microcomputer. Supercomputer are the computers in which scientific research are there. When we want the accurate result, okay, high level of calculations are required, so we use supercomputer. Then in mainframe computer, they are having the further division. They are large, medium, and is smaller. According to the requirement, we use them. Okay. Then there is mini computer. Mini computer are the computer basically we use in the organizations like banks, okay, hospitals, where multi people can work on a system. Multitasking. It is multitasking computer. Now we will talk about microcomputer. Microcomputer are the computers which are very easy to use, which we people are using. Okay. I think most of the types you have seen like palm top, desktop, laptop, they are the common computers in our daily life. Okay, students. I think through this diagram, which I have tried to merge all the classification, you understand. Now, desktop is a favorite computer for user. Why desktop is a favorite? First of all the parts of you have seen CPU, keyboard, mouse, monitor. Even a child can also work, old people also work, and young people can also work. It is comfortable, easy to use because we all know the use of all parts. Clear? It has some special parts than other computers because all are separated. Now I will show you some different pictures of desktop computer. Desktop computers are the computers in which all parts are separated like keyboard, mouse. So you through this picture it is clear to you. They are having different types also. Some having the sleek computer, thin computer, thick computer, like TV like computer. Okay, time to time the development is there. Okay. Now palm top. Palm top is a small enough to hold in one hand and operate with the other hand. Okay. So it is smaller in size because as the name is saying palm top, so it can fit in our palm. Okay. You can see there are some different types of palm top. Diagrams are there through which you will understand how it look like. Different palm tops are there. Some are little bit smaller, little bit bigger. Some are having keyboard attached with it. Some are without keyboard. It means we use touch screen or our fingers to operate on the screen, monitor screen. So these are the palm tops. Now student, laptop. Laptop nowadays very in trend, you can say, common, because the first important feature of laptop that it is very easy to carry like a notebook. So its another name is notebook also. you can carry from one to place to another place very easily. And laptop is also same work we are doing as we are doing in desktop or palm top. Keyboard is there, touch screen is there. Okay, so these are some pictures of laptop. So student, I hope you understand what I have explained you. Thanks for watching the video, and you have to like the channel, you have to like the video and subscribe the channel. You have not informed me that who have completed the work. Very few students are writing in the comment box. Student, keep watching the videos and write the comments about your work completion. Okay, till then, take care. Goodbye.